Hi everyone, you're welcome to my page. Here is the easiest princess that Bustier you ever learn. If you don't have any experience at all, you can still make this. So I'll take my measurement like this. I'll take my measurement from my starting line to my bust points, which is 10 inches, and I'll connect the line like you see me doing. So I'll go ahead and take my measurement again from my starting line to my under bust, which is 13 inches. I'll mark it at several points, then I'll connect my lines like you see me doing. So the next thing, I'll go ahead to label it bust and under bust. I'll divide my back divided by 2, which will give me 8. From that 8, I'll come down by 1 inch and I will mark my neck measurement. The width of my neck is 3 inches, and from that width, I'll come down by 6 inches, and from the 6 inches, I'll go in with 3.5 inches. So I'll connect the two lines together like this. So from my slanting area, from my slanting shoulder, I'll slant my shoulder as you see me doing. So from that slant, to determine my sleeve opening, I'll come down by 8 inches. Then I'll connect the line. I'll extend the line to the side like this. So from my starting line, you see the way I'll place my tape rule. I'll place my tape rule on my starting line to determine the midpoint of my armhole. Then I will curve it this way. So I go in with 0.5 inch, then I curve it like you see me doing. The next thing to take my dart measurement. On my bust, I took a dart of 4 inches. On my under bust, I took a dart of 3 inches. And on my waist, I took a dart of 3 inches. And I connected the three lines together. So my armhole length from my starting line to that place is 4 inches. Yes. And from that 4 inches, I will join the lines to the bust points like you see me doing. So from this line at the armhole, I will come down by 2 inches. From my waist, I will come out by 2 inches as well. On my underbust, I'll come out by 2 inches and connect the straight line together, then curve it this way. Now you can see the princess bust here is already given. So the 2 inches that was at the middle, that I'm going to extend it to the side like this. So this will be my original side bustier when joining. So here it is time to take my body measurements. My bust divided by 4. I'll take the measurements, then I will replace my darts. My waist divided by 4. I'll have my measurements, then I will replace my darts in between. The dart that is in between, which is 2 inches, I will replace it back. So that is what you will do to the waist part also. You connect your lines together. So now, I will draw the original armhole like this. Can you see? Just as simple as that. So for my neck line, there is this design that was at the neckline. So this neckline, as I place my tape rule, is 6 inches. I'll divide it into two inches. Can you see? Just watch carefully and see the way I will curve it. And it will actually give me the shape that I wanted. Can you see the way I'm curving it? Can you see it? Can you see it? So when cutting it out on your fabrics, don't cut exactly these things. You have to add your stitching allowance. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow for more tutorials like this.